Hi again, and thanks for joining us for another DriveStrike installation video. Today we're going to be talking about Linux, Ubuntu, and Debian-based devices. We'll take a look at remotely locking these devices, what that looks like, and what you can expect when you issue a remote lock for one of those devices. In this instance, we're going to go ahead and do this on a virtual machine. Now, I'm going to go ahead and issue a lock from the device page. Shortly, we will see that the device will be locked. So the remote lock command was issued as requested, and it is noted down here in the history section. As soon as that command is received and executed, that timestamp of the execution will be noted in the history section as well. The remote lock action will show up again after the process completes. Now we're seeing the machine reboot and put itself into lock mode. Okay, once the machine has rebooted, you'll see that we display the fact that the system is locked, and note to the person that has the physical device to contact the system administrator in order to get it unlocked. If you're in the DriveStrike console on the specific device, you can go ahead and issue a remote unlock command. That's the only way the user is going to be able to get back on the machine at that point. I will issue the remote unlock right now, and this will just take anywhere from a minute to 2 minutes for that machine when it's online to go ahead and receive that command and go through that whole process again. Okay, so now that the device has been unlocked, we can go ahead and log back onto the machine as usual. And it's really as simple as that. That concludes our demonstration for remotely locking and unlocking a Linux, Ubuntu, or Debian-based operating system and device. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call at 877-375-2468 or send us an email anytime at support@drivestrike.com.